Honorable Member Vedika Verma.
यथा ह्येकेन चक्रेण न रथस्य गतिर्भवेत् एवं पुरुषकरेण विना दैवम न सिद्ध्यन्ति। अर्थात जैसे एक पहिए से रथ नहीं चल सकता है, ठीक उसी प्रकार बिना पुरुषार्थ के भाग्य सिद्ध नहीं हो सकता है। Namaskaram, Honorable Speaker Sir, esteemed members of the House and everyone present here today. I, Vedika Verma, take immense pleasure to speak in favor of the motion. Nelson Mandela rightly said, "The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow." The youth of our nation works day and night in order to ace the public examinations conducted in order to get admission into the higher education institutions. हालांकि हमारी नन्ही कलियों के सपने टुकड़ों में बिखर जाते हैं जब वे यह सुनते हैं कि एग्जाम कैंसिल कर दिया गया है क्योंकि पेपर लीक हो गया था। What a joke it is. Investigations by various news sources reveal 70 cases of paper leak over the past 7 years. These leaks have disrupted the schedules of 1.7 crore applicants. The repeated occurrence of paper leak erodes the public trust in the education and recruitment system. Honorable Speaker, Sir, evidence from the recent NEET Undergraduate 2024 exam highlights the significant control of the paper leak mafia over exams in the country. इस प्रकार ऐसे लोगों का लालच हमारे देश के विकास में बाधा बन रहा है. The uncertainty caused by the cancellation of potential exams due to paper leak leads to immense stress, anxiety, and even depression among the students. They lose faith in the system and face a future clouded by uncertainty. Leakages often lead to delay in admissions into the higher education institutions and even career progression. सवाल यह है कि क्या कुछ व्यक्तियों के लालच का परिणाम हमारे सक्षम युवा को भुगतना चाहिए? Can the government afford to delay the development of the future leaders of our country? The answer to these questions is a big and clear no. Therefore, I strongly support the motion that the compensation should be recovered from the person in charge in case of a paper leak. Thank you.